Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how to get 10 more years out of an old metal roof. So say you have an old metal roof and it looks a little dirty, a little dingy, you don't want to rip the whole thing off. You just want to get 10 more years out of it so you can retire or go play baseball, whatever you want to do. But maybe you think that your only option is to rip everything off and put a new metal roof on, and that's just not cost effective. So today, just wanted to give you one option that you should maybe consider. And really the option is to put a coating system over top of it. Very similar to paint, but it's definitely not the paint you just buy at Home Depot. It's an elastomeric coating. Some people call it silicone restoration membrane, but it's a paint engineered for metal roofs. It expands and contracts, it's waterproof, it'll fill up all your seams, and they come with 10, 15, and 20-year warranties. Depends on which manufacturer you get the coating from, but it's a very simple and efficient way to get 10 more years out of your metal roof. But what are some other questions you might have? Maybe you're wondering how much does a coating system cost versus a full metal replacement. Coating systems were $2 to $4 a square foot before all these labor shortages and material shortages happen. But a full metal roof replacement, before was at least $10 a square foot. So you're thinking maybe 30% to coat it, like 30% of what a full metal replacement cost is. So, it just makes sense. You're gonna put coating over something you already have, or rip everything off, transport to a landfill and put new metal on. The coating system's always gonna be more cost effective regardless of what times they are. You might be wondering if your metal roof is even eligible to be recoated. And there's really a couple parameters that you need to hit. The seams need to be in pretty good condition. Less than 25% of the metal roof needs to be, like the panels need to be in good shape, and the insulation below needs to not be super saturated. And there needs to be at least some maintenance that's been going on with your roof. So if you can hit all three of those, then you can put coating over your metal roof. Some people want to know, well, what's the start to finish process of putting coating over a metal roof? Really it's just preparation and application. So you want to prepare the metal roof, make sure the seams are intact, make sure there's no holes in the metal, do some simple repairs that way, and then power wash the metal roof clean. And then really the most important thing is seam reinforcement. So what we'll do is we'll do a foot wide application of coating, and we'll put a polyester mesh on top of that and put more coating over top of that again to really reinforce those seams, because the seams break apart, and that's why most metal roofs fail. So once the seams are reinforced, then you just put coating over the rest of the roof and you're done. And people were asking me, what happens once the coating wears away? Because the coating, it is sacrificial, it does wear away. But say you get a 10-year warranty, that means that you need to put at least 20 mils of coating on the metal roof. That's just how the manufacturer's specs are. But once year 10 hits, those 20 mils will go down to 7 or 8 mils of coating. And once that's over, you just power wash the roof clean and add more coating on top of that, bring those 7 to 8 mils back to 20 mils again. You get a new 10-year warranty, and that's it. It's pretty simple. That's really it for today. If you want any more details on anything we talked about today, below there's a link to the blog post. And I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.